Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist, and today I would like to show you how to prepare leek with smoked salmon, eggs and garlic salad with chive dressing. This is an amazing salad, a perfect meal on its own, high in protein and good fats with health-giving green vegetables mixed through that add the flavor and texture to the dish. You can also add 1 to 2 boiled potatoes to the salad to make it more filling by scattering them between the other ingredients. But if you are on carbohydrate or starch restrictive diet, use asparagus or broccoli instead. Leeks are widely known vegetables that have been used worldwide for hundreds of years. Their incredible properties make them a preferred ingredient for chefs and anybody trying to stick to a healthy diet. This health-giving food in fact contains high levels of flavonoids, vitamin A, E and K, folate, fiber and quercetin, which is anti-inflammatory antioxidant. Leeks come from onion family, but are a bit sweeter and more nutrient dense than onions. For those who are sensitive to onions though, and garlic, leek can present a challenge as well. In that instance, please use the earlier mentioned asparagus and broccoli instead. To increase the flavor, I used sun-dried tomatoes mixed with olive oil. Those beauties provide 170% of the daily intake of vitamin C and are also rich in iron and lycopene, an antioxidant associated with lowering the risk of certain cancers. This recipe also asks for Parmesan cheese. However, if you are dairy free, you might skip this ingredient. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start with creating the dressing. So I'm putting my olive oil through an apple cider vinegar, which is really good for you. Stimulates digestion and carries some probiotics through its structure, so it's a probiotic food, enhances digestion and immune system functions. I'm going to use half a garlic to flavor the dressing. Don't add too much if you don't like strong garlic flavor. So just a little bit. Hope I don't touch my eye after this. Chives. And that's it. Let's mix it through together. Add some pepper and salt. This is a very quick dish to get ready. So I'm going to start plating the dish. I place my leek onto the plate, and I just would like to let you know that I have steamed this leek for a couple of minutes before plating of the dish. That's just to make it a bit softer and more palatable. So there's my dressing. I'm adding salad into it and mixing it through. That's pretty much it. You just have to plate it. It's an extremely quick dish to prepare. Don't be shy to use your hands. There you go. And I used rocket salad that is very rich in flavor and also so nice and green. So it's got lots of nutrients there, comparing to salads that might be a bit lighter in color. So dark, green, leafy are always better for you. Now this is my sun-dried tomato. Let me just get my hands right. They have incredible health properties and benefits. So that dish is very Mediterranean as well. It's just gorgeous. So plate it up, mix it through. It looks amazing. It smells great. I cannot wait to eating it. There you go. Now, what you can do is use smoked salmon. You can use any other dish. You can possibly also use prawns, cooked prawns, but I like smoked salmon. It does give you a nice flavor and it goes very well with all the other ingredients. So I'm putting it on the top, and now I'm going to add an egg. So cut it through on a half. This egg is soft inside, but not too soft. It's gorgeous. Have a look at this. You can finish it off with adding some parmesan and seasoning the dish with salt and pepper. Now have a look at this, how beautiful balanced it is. It's got proteins and fats through and lots of beautiful carbohydrates. It's healthy, it's tasty, it's well presented. I cannot wait to eat it. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for now. Bye for now.